So we're in the projects lab and we're finishing up our ukulele unit, and it's very exciting because the student models are all coming out and they're all different, as I enjoy and hope. But one very, very exciting thing is that my shop partner, Robert, that guy over there, he's decided to take Bach's ukulele building to the complete next level. And he took the basic design that we created for students and started to make some really, really fine instruments out of them. So Robert made this beautiful high-end Bach's ukulele with the same basic design that we are doing for the students. However, he did upgrade a bunch of features. He used a lot nicer wood, and he actually ordered a bunch of wood from, where'd you order the wood from? Stumac. And, you know, upgrade on the tuning pegs. I think the fretboard's the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's the fretboard made out of?
Cherry.
The top's made out of?
Western red cedar.
Put over, look at that. Wow. Walnut. Back and sides. And look at that. Look how smooth that looks. You can't even see. Here, hold on. Let me see the corner. You can't even see the seams. And we did a book match on the back.
You can almost see the seam. Where can you see it? You can see it at the top a little bit.
It kind of validates the whole program here when you realize that the instruments we're building can also be really high-end, kind of great sounding instruments too. Give a listen to how they sound. The Walnut one has a lot more mid-range tones, I think. Also a lot more sustain. Another thing that Robert did is he made his bridge out of walnut. So it's a hardwood instead of this cheap pine bridge that's over here. This one has, the strings are about a year old, so that might be one reason why there's a big difference in the tone. SpongeBob strings are only about a week old.